Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration. Here scroll a bit lower, and now click on additional settings. And here you will notice tap sounds, so smoothly click here, and now you will be able to hear the sound. And this is it. So that's how you can smoothly and easily activate touch sounds on this Xiaomi. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.